And welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today with just a few passing clouds later on. We kept that strong south and then eventually a southeasterly wind. So it did really contribute to the rising temperatures as those highs today did reach the mid to upper 90s. And we did stay mainly dry. There were some very isolated showers and thunderstorms around, but they barely affected anybody. And then we remained clear into the evening. Here's a look at the high temperatures. So both North Platte and Ogallala did reach 97, 98 at Thetford, and 100 at Valentine. 96 your high at Imperial, and the cool spot across the region is Broken Bow and Lexington. Highs near 90, but there's a little more humidity in the air, so that moist air does take a lot more energy to warm up. So that's what we've been seeing across the region. Here's a look at the temperatures right now. 76 in North Platte. Valentine, Thetford, Ogallala at 82 degrees, so still pretty mild in that direction, into the low to mid 70s out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. So there's the wind still from a south or southeasterly direction, and the winds are pretty light, 5 to maybe even as high as 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at the dew points, and we are looking at Broken Bow, Lexington, and out toward Imperial with those dew point values now into the low to mid 60s. Also Valentine starting to get a little more humid there, dew point at 63 degrees, meaning that that is getting humid at about 65. So definitely it does feel like it's a little warmer tonight in some areas because of that humidity with that easterly wind really increasing the moisture. Otherwise, not really much to talk about. Those isolated thunderstorms did come to an end, and now most of us are either clear or mostly clear across the region. So we still are dealing with the dual high pressure system. When you see this setup, it usually does give us a lot of sunshine and warm to hot air, and that is the story. We were on this system's cool side with those 70s for highs on Sunday, but now that this first high has worked off to the east and another one is approaching, we have that strong southerly wind. With the isolated showers and thunderstorms, we were on the northern fringe of this low pressure system, but most of that moisture is well off to our south and to our east. So as we make our way through the overnight, staying mainly clear, lots of sunshine tomorrow, high temperatures into the mid to upper 90s. And for the day on Thursday, we start off in the mid 60s once again, and highs are going to be within a few degrees of 100. Still a lot of sunshine, staying dry with a strong southerly wind. So the second high pressure system is going to crest over us and move off to the east, and we will have that stronger southerly wind. Over the mountains, this will cause some clouds and some showers, but not over us as we keep a good amount of sunshine to round out the work week. Let's take a look at that drought monitor, and portions of southwestern Lincoln County are now at the highest level. An exceptional drought out in that area around Ogallala, Imperial, McCook, an extreme drought, and along the I-80 corridor here we do have that severe drought that does include the cities of Lexington and North Platte. Doing a little better out toward Broken Bow. You see a little area here that's just abnormally dry, not in a drought, but as you make your way into the Sandhills, still a severe drought out as you approach Valentine. Doesn't look like we're going to improve this much over the next week, but by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we do have chances for moisture as the temperatures fall, but unfortunately, the best chances of moisture are into the panhandle. So we'll see what happens. Next week does look to contain a lot more moisture. So here's your forecast for tonight. Clear skies. We're going to say seasonal lows. Average low is 61. That's where we're going to be in North Platte. Most everybody else in the low to mid 60s, but then we're really warm during the day. Sunshine and temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, and hot conditions with mid 90s to even over 100 degrees as we go through the day on Thursday as we keep that wind right from a southerly direction. Then 102 your high on Friday and Saturday. Lots of sunshine, staying dry through Sunday. A high of 97. Cooler, could be a little more humid. And then 92 on Monday and 85 on Tuesday as we'll have those 20 to 30% chances of some showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, we will keep partly cloudy skies and cool down to start next week. Kent?
Well, those cooler days that we had, they were good while they lasted.
Yeah, we had a lot of clouds, highs in the upper 70s on Sunday, and they're gone.
Yeah, thanks so much, Justin. More consumers are leaning on credit to cope with inflation, but a new study shows many people don't